I'm going to let Megan do most of the talking on this one because when I open a new bottle of Immortelle, it's our anti-aging blend.
Mhm.
We use it on our face. If I set it next to my sink and she sees it there, she takes it because she requires like multiples.
I get
It's
mad.
insane.
I will get mad if anyone uses my Immortelle. If I'm running too low on Immortelle, like I have to just order more right away, and I don't want him using it because I want it. I love it so much.
The combination of this blend is incredible. If you were to purchase each one of these individual oils separately, it would be over $350.
Mm.
And the blend is 60, 68, 69 bucks. But the combination of oils in this blend is what makes it so powerful and so great for our skin. Two of the oils in this blend are in our cellular protocol, so that if you have any condition where your cells have become abnormal, causing disease and illness in your body, frankincense and sandalwood are two of the oils that are in our cellular protocol, but these two oils are also in Immortelle. So we have frankincense, we have sandalwood, lavender, helichrysum,
Rose.
rose, myrrh. I
Mhm.
think that's all of them.
That's it. Yep.
Powerful oils in this blend.
Now it comes in a roller, which makes it so convenient. And I love, if you guys watched the video before, I did show you how I use it, but I like to swipe right down my face, across this, around my chin, on my neck, on my chest, so you can see that I use a lot of it. But it's just so easy. You just swipe it on and then you just go ahead with your other essential oils you use or just your moisturizer. Now, it is the most powerful when it comes to nourishing your skin, when it comes to evening out skin tones, when it comes to bringing back the youth of your skin, meaning reducing the fine lines, reducing the wrinkles, the sunspots, any kind of damage. Using Immortelle is just going to drastically change the way your skin appears. You can actually feel it. Like when you put it on, you can feel it. The aroma of it is just, it's golden. It's gold in a bottle.
A friend of mine uses Dr. Ryan Berlin he's a chiropractor in Ohio. He uses Immortelle as his cologne because he loves the aroma so much.
So good.
The last thing that I'm going to mention about Immortelle is if you have spots on your skin that are concerning, if you've been to a dermatologist and they're like, we need to watch these spots might be of a concern in the future, then these are the types of concerns or conditions that you're going to apply Immortelle directly on. So it's great for your face, of course, do it every single day, but also if you have spots of concern on your skin, apply Immortelle to those as well.
Which is really easy to spot treat because it's in that roll already. Now, I am going to say this. It is the best, the cheapest way naturally to make yourself look younger.
Yes.
It is. It really is. So stock up on Immortelle.
You're no spring chicken, but you sure look like one, don't you?
It's Immortelle.
Hey guys, if you found value in this, love, comment, share, love with a heart, not just thumbs up. We love the loves. But we appreciate you guys. Thanks for spending some time with us, and we'll see you next time.